Hey guys, today we are opening this Kroger case that I got. I got this shipped about a month ago, but I only was able to pick it up today. So let's open it up. I think it will be e-case inside, and of course, I'm looking forward to those exclusives. But let's open it up and we'll see what kind of stuff and what case is inside. Okay guys, so let's just get on into it right here. Okay. I'm gonna try to get into it here. There. Okay guys, so I have it cracked open here. As you guys can see, never really opened one of these Kroger cases before, but I'm just gonna see what is inside. So it does look to be e-case. So right out of the gate, got our first two exclusives here. Got the Nissan Leaf Nismo in that black color. And we got that Mazda RX-7 from the J Imports in the D case. Next one's here. Got another one of that Nissan. So that's 3 of the Nissan, pretty cool. We have the first 2 of the McLaren F1 GTR. Pretty cool car. Already 5 exclusives. Barely even got into this case. Anyway. Next car's here. Is that really another Nissan? And then we have the Aston Martin Valhalla concept and the Subaru WRX STI. I'm super happy to have got that Valhalla because I want to open one. Next one's up here. We have the Super Silhouette Nissan Silvia S15. I'm super happy to have another one of these. Means I can open my international card and keep my US card in the package. Looks pretty good, in pretty good condition. Then there is this 91 Mazda MX-5 Miata. I'm happy to have another one of this, and I'll probably end up opening one of these. And then actually, our first fantasy car of the case, Donut Drifter. And then, next car is up here. Oh yes, I am pretty happy to have this one. Now I am caught up with the AE86 colorways. Pretty cool car in this red color. Sure you guys have seen it before. Then I have another Miata, so I will definitely be opening one and then keeping 2 in the package. And then there is the Lolux with a guaranteed for life, new for 2022 on the US card. I have an international card of that. Probably going to keep both of them in the package. Then we have our next exclusive here. We have 2 of the 68 Dodge Dart, along with another Lolux. This Dodge Dart, pretty cool car. Really like the orange wheels and the teal colorway that it has on it. Pretty cool with Dodge on one side, and then the white release had Dart on the other side, so I imagine that's what this one has as well. And then, next up, we have the Bone Shaker in the black color. Then it is the 70 Chevelle SS Wagon in the blue color. I have one of those. And then the Coupe Clip, once again, have one of those. Next one's up here. Got another McLaren F1, pretty cool. Probably gonna have to open one of those up. And then there is the regular treasure hunt for the e-case, which is the Draftnator. Pretty cool to have this one on a US and an international card. Then there is the 83 Silverado. Once again, awesome car. Next up, there is another Draftnator. 2 T-Hunts in this case. That's awesome, actually. Super happy to have got 2 T-Hunts in this case. I now have, I think, 4 of the Draftnator. Then there is the 69 Chevy pickup, number 4 of 10 from Art Cars, number 108 of 250. I'm sure you guys have seen this one before as well. Pretty cool Chevy pickup. Then there is the Lethal Diesel, just a fantasy car from the e-case. Then the tuned 83 Chevy Silverado. I'm sure you guys have seen this one before. Probably gonna open this one because I have one to keep already in the package. Then there is Eruption, another fantasy car from the e-case. And then the Ford Focus RS. This, I believe, is the last of the exclusives. There are Leaf, the F1, the Dart, and this Ford Focus. Pretty awesome car. Then there's another Eruption Count Muscula. You guys saw that one in the D case. And the Big Air Bel Air. And then, final 3 cars here. Got a GT Scorcher, kind of an interesting looking car, from the D case. And then the Let's Go Ride-On Go-Kart. And lastly, there is another Ford Focus RS, so I got 2 of that one. I might keep both of them in the package. I might open one. But anyway, that is everything from the e-case. No super in this one, unfortunately, nor was there even the regular of the 2020 Corvette. But there was 2 T-Hunts and a lot of exclusives, so I think that was a pretty successful case unboxing. Like, comment, subscribe. See you guys on the next video. Bye.